take this in a shot right now. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself? Well, I'm wasted for someone else. Go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever.
Guys, good day everyone. I hope you have an amazing day. This is Rich and we are here in Paris, France. And now I'm here in front of the very famous the Eiffel Tower. Oh my God, this is the famous of the Eiffel Tower, the very famous in the world. Wow, the beautiful Eiffel Towers here in front of me, guys. Enjoy watching. I'm going to walk through here in Paris, France for a few days only, guys. Okay. Guys, today is a very sunny day here in Paris. Of course, here in front of the Eiffel Tower. Wow, too high, meter long. Here, this Eiffel Tower. But today not so many tourists because too early. Now it's already 9 in the morning. Too hot now. Enjoy guys for watching these videos here in front of Paris, in front of Eiffel Tower and the other places here in Paris. And now guys, it's already 11 in the morning. That's why now, wow, so many people now here downstairs here in Eiffel Tower because they want to climb off on top. Now we are here again and we go back here in Paris, France. And I hope you enjoy watching guys here in Paris, in France. Wow, it's an amazing day. Stay only 3 days here in Paris, and after that I'm going to the Netherlands, guys. Wow, the big bus is coming, but now it's still I didn't experience this bus yet. Maybe later I will try to ride this bus to see all the surroundings here in Paris. Guys, still here in Paris, France. Okay, guys. Now it's already 4 p.m. here in Paris. Going to ride the big bus. See you guys. Best France restaurant. So guys, now we're going to walk here in the surroundings of the Eiffel Tower here in Burger Station. Of course, here in Paris, then I will find a nice restaurant here. It's now already hungry. Okay guys, keep watching. We are here inside the train, the metro station, here in Hurricane, going to the city center. Because I stay in Pasteur station here in Paris. I'll go back to my hotel, and later we're going to see all the different places here in Paris. See you guys. Guys, now we are here in front of Arc de Triomphe here in Paris. So you see, this is the Arc. Then you can climb upstairs, but you're going to pay. I thought maybe around 20 to 25 euro. Expensive, but only just go up upstairs, and you see the surroundings of Arc de Triomphe here. Guys. This one is the main, one of the most tourist destination here in Paris, France. Wow! Because this one is a historical place here in Paris. So yeah, lots of tourists also they come here to visit this place. Guys, now we are here in Louvre station here in Paris, France. Then going to see the Pyramide of Paris. Okay guys, enjoy! Louvre! Museo di Louvre, Palais Royal here in Paris, France. And now guys, now we are going to walk to the Louvre. This is the pyramids here in Paris, and I will show you all the place here. This very famous pyramid here. This is shopping mall also as well. And see you guys, and I hope you enjoy your watching. Now, after all, now we are here in the pyramid, the Louvre. Alright guys, this is the famous here also here in Paris, France. The Pyramid of Louvre. Alright guys. And now we are going back to my hotel, and thank you guys for watching, and see you for my next videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe this channel. Have a nice day. Bonjour.